Let's see how to respond to your Facebook comments using GPT-4o model. So this simply works even when you run Facebook ads as well. So you don't need to waste time by manually replying to those Facebook comments. You can simply use AI such as GPT-4o model to respond to those comments effectively, and also even send an automated DM or message to their messenger asking if they need some additional help or something like that. So here I'm in a demo account over here. So let's see how to build an automation over here. So let me go to the flows over here. So even before you build an automation, you have to connect your Facebook page right here. So that's a direct forward process. So I'm not going to show how to do that over here, but so let's create a flow over here. So let's create a flow named as AI comments FB GPT-4o model and click continue. We are in this particular flow. So here first of all we want to actually send the particular customer's comment on the Facebook page to the AI such as GPT-4o model and get a response back from there, and then send it back to the user as a comment reply. So let's start with an action over here, action, and here you have to choose open AI right here, and here you have to choose whatever the model you want to use. For an example, let's say I'm going to use GPT-4o model, and here you have to add your business information. So let's say in this case we are going to build an AI chatbot or AI comment replies using for a business called as Loanies. So here this is a company providing financial assistance. So here we have some information about that particular business. So let me simply paste that information right here, and let's say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. And here the user message. So here the user message is actually the Facebook comment. So here for that you have to type a curly bracket and type last, and here if you scroll down here you can find last FB comment. So it simply tracks whatever the comment posted by that particular customer, and it simply generates a response into this particular field. Save the response to a custom field. So here let's create a new field again over here and name this one as GPT-4o FB comment and continue. Alright, we are saving the comment response or comment reply from the GPT-4o model into this particular field called as GPT-4o FB comment and click continue. Alright, so here we want to make this as the starting step, so simply click on it and let me remove this one. And here when the response is generated in this particular field, so if I open this particular field GPT-4o FB comment, so here let's choose that particular comment field right here. Simple as that. So we actually created this particular AI comment FB GPT-4o model flow and click publish. Alright, so now we can simply see how this actually works. So if we go to the tools section right here, click on tools, and in tools we can simply choose Facebook comment automation, and here click add, and let me say FB GPT-4o comment replies. So you can come up with your own names as well, because this is just for your reference, and click continue. So here you can track comments on all posts and private reply to the comment. So this means when they actually comment on one of your Facebook post or reel, then you are enabled, you have the then you can simply reply to that particular comment using AI, and also you can even send a private DM to their messenger or Facebook as a message as well. So here in this case let's choose none for now, so we don't need to send any sort of private messages to them when they comment, but we want to actually add a public reply to that particular comment. So in this case let's choose the flow we just created, FB AI FB GPT-4o, and here you can reply to all comments, and here you have more options. So here exclude comment with this keyword. So if you want to not to trigger the automation for specific comments or words, you can simply do that, and also you can even hide the comments with these specific keywords as well. So whatever the keywords you add here, you can even hide as well. And here you have other options, such as you can like the comments as well, and also you can even delay the comment replies responses over here. So for now, let's choose immediately and click save. Alright, it has been saved. So make sure you activate this one before you test this one. Alright, it is now activated. So here let me open the flow where we have the business information about this particular company. Loan is over here. I'm going to add a comment asking, are you open on Saturdays? So let me ask this question and see what happens. Or let me add this comment and see what happens. So here, according to the business information, they actually only open from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. So let's see what sort of a response we actually receiving right here. So the comment has been pasted, and as you see here, we also received the response as well. It says our business hours are Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. We are closed on Saturdays and Sundays. If you need assistance outside of our regular business hours, you can always reach out to us via email or social media, and we will respond as soon as we can. Simple as that. So likewise, let me move to some other post over here and ask some other questions right here. So here, how long does the loan application process take? So here, let me add this comment. I have applied for a loan. How long would it take me to receive a response? So it should say 1 to 3 business days over here. So let's wait and see what sort of response we are actually receiving over here. And it says the loan application review process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You will be notified of the decision via email or phone once the review is complete. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. So here, as you see here, the comment replies are simply working fine. Suppose if you want to send a private DM to the customer asking them to do some sort of specific actions, you can do that as well. So here, let's change the comment automation tool in such a way. So let's edit the comment automation tool right here so that we can send some sort of private reply to the comment as well. So here you can send a message as a private text message. Thanks for your comment. For more details, please visit loanease.com. So simply pushing all the customers to visit the website. So just a simple demo to show you how the private comment replies work over here. So let me click save as well. It's already saved. So here, now I am going to comment some post. So now I'm going to add some other comments over here. What is the maximum loan amount allowed to apply? So let me add this particular comment and see what happens. So in this case, we have already set up the comment automation tool in such a way to send a private DM as well. The maximum loan amount you can apply varies based on your credit profile and income. During the application review process, our representative will evaluate the financial situation and provide a detailed information regarding the maximum loan you can qualify for. So that's a quick demo on how you can use GPT-4o model to reply to the Facebook comments.